So what is a pre-sales role? So let us discuss about the pre-sales role in details in this video. Hi all, this is Sovan. I welcome you all to my channel P2P Learning. So let's get started. So pre-sales role is a very crucial role of any organization, any IT organization. Okay. So there are basically two kinds of pre-sales role. One role is called bid manager, another role is called the pre-sales lead. So the pre-sales solution architect. Okay. So the bid manager's responsibility is once the sales team get the requirement from customer, okay, customer wanted to procure some solution or they want to develop some solution. So they will float an RFP or the float a requirement, sales team will capture those requirement and then the sales team will involve the bid manager to drive this bid or drive this response writing for this RFP. Okay. So the bid manager are the ones who try to understand what are the different components needed for creating this particular solution. A solution could be consist of multiple technology. It could be, let's say, SAP, Salesforce, automation like RPA, chatbot, etc., testing, cloud, okay, etc. So a solution could be consist of any different kind of technologies. Okay. So all these different kind of technologies are generally in an organization called tower, technology tower. Okay. So now, so this bid manager's responsibility is to first identify all the tenants or all the towers, solution towers, and then involve one person from each of the tower who would own that particular tower. Okay. So this one person is the pre-sales solution architect for that particular technology. So let's say bid manager is also a pre-sales role, but they will come, let's say they have onboarded somebody from SAP. Okay. So the person will come from SAP to support this RFP would be an solution architect or pre-sales solution architect for SAP. Similarly, they will onboard the pre-sales solution architect for other technologies. Let's say for RPA, one pre-sales solution architect, for chatbot, one solution architect, for Salesforce, one solution architect, for ServiceNow, one solution architect, and so on. Okay. So based on the solution requirement, they will onboard one pre-sales solution architect for each of these technologies. So now, the responsibility of the pre-sales solution architect for a particular technology is to identify the customer requirement for that particular technology. So let's say the SAP solution pre-sales solution architect will understand what is the customer ask for SAP. Okay. And all the things that is required from SAP, those requirements this pre-sales solution architect will try to describe. Okay. So this is the requirement. So this should be the solution from SAP which will solve your requirement. Now when he is giving this solution, he is actually talking to the technical subject matter expert of SME, because it's from the same team, same SME team. There are some technical SMEs, because pre-sales team solution architect would not have detailed technical knowledge. They will have a prima facie knowledge, okay, surface level knowledge. They know what are the components of SAP, how it is working. But if they wanted to develop a particular complex solution, they will discuss with this particular technical SMEs who have very detailed knowledge on SAP. So they will, but he will own this solution, this pre-sales solution consultant. They will get this solution from the different technical person. He will teach an overall solution for SAP, and also he will try to find out what would be the effort. If you want to develop this particular solution, then what would be the effort. Again, for that they will take the help of technical SMEs of SAP. And then after getting the solution and the solution effort and also how they will implement, like from when they will start implementing, what is the time that they need for this entire development or the implementation period, what are the different roles, like what are the roles for SAP which needs to be loaded in the project plan such that the project is getting executed. Okay. So all this project plan, resource loading, everything for that particular technology track, this pre-sales solution consultant will provide to the bid manager. Okay. So this kind of solutioning will be coming from each of this tower, each of these technical towers. Now bid manager will get all these solutions from each of the tower. Okay. So now he has multiple solutions. So somebody has to stitch all the solution and create a single story. So for that they involve one architect. enterprise architect, they just involve in that bid management process. Okay, so that architect will stitch all this solution and create a single compelling story, and then the sales team will take it to the customer. Okay, when the sales team is taking to the customer, they will invite this enterprise architect, this bid manager, and if required the pre-sales solution consultant for each of the technology they invite if required. Generally the solution architect, the enterprise architect and the sales team are the one who represent it. In one of my video I have explained what is front end role, what is back end role, right? This enterprise architect and this sales teams are the front end role. Only they bring or own or lead any customer communication. So this solution, they bring it to the customer. Customer might ask multiple questions. If they do not have that answer, they will again go back to the same team members, pre-sale consultant, the technology consultant, etc. They will get back the answer and then will go back to the customer again. In this way, they will position a virtual solution or a solution on paper to the customer. After doing that, after lots of questions and answers, then customer decided to whom they wanted to go with, and then they award this project to this particular company. Once the company got that project, then the actual implementation team comes into the picture and then they actually create the solution. So this is the process and this is the role of a pre-sales consultant. Hope that clarifies your doubt. I have tried to create a small video on that. This is a very big topic, but I have just tried to create a small video on that. But still, if you have any if you need any clarification, if you have any doubt, please feel free to write in the comment. I will try to clarify that. Okay. So thank you so much for watching my video. Take care. Jai Hind.